Verifying your identity on Compliance.ai is an important step to ensure secure access to the platform. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Compliance.ai website and click on the Sign Up option. Fill in the required information to create your account, including your email address and a secure password. Step 2. Access verification email. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Log into your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Compliance.ai website and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard. Step 4. Navigate to Identity Verification. In your account dashboard, look for the Identity Verification section. This may be found under Account Settings or a similar menu. Click on it to start the verification process. Step 5. Submit required documents. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary documents for identity verification. This may include a government-issued ID and proof of address. Once submitted, wait for confirmation that your identity has been verified. Completing these steps will help you successfully verify your identity on Compliance.ai, allowing you to access all features of the platform securely.